Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables, and right now we'll be discussing about how to control the table double borders. The table have double borders. This is because both the table and the THTD elements have separate borders. So to remove it, we are going to take a look at this. We are going to use the CSS border collapse property and give it collapse. This sets whether the table borders should be collapsed into a single border. So I'm going to show you how all this works together. If you only want, and right here I want you to note right here that if you only want a border around the table, only specify the border property. So I'm not an Englishan, it's better I demonstrate this so you guys can understand it clearly. So now right here, this is our table. We select our table, th and td, and our caption, all of it we gave it border, right? So now we want to do another thing. We want to select our table, only our table we are selecting right here. We just want to give our table border collapse. Let's see what will happen now. Border collapse. So when we give it border collapse and specify collapse here and save our document, let's see what will happen. Just imagine what happens. Immediately all the table head and the table data, the border around it disappears. And if you want them to come back again, we can just specify separate. When we specify separate, you are going to see the border is going to come out. Can you see? The border comes back. So that's what I want to show you guys. Definitely, if you want to remove the border right here, the border at the th and the td, if you want to remove it and make it form one single border, you're going to use what? Border collapse property along with collapse value. So when I specify collapse value now, can you see everything removed? Let's now say, for instance, now we don't give our th and td any border. You are going to see that we will not see any border right here. Can you see? There's no any border in our table. But if you want them to have border, you have to specify the table header, and table data. So and reload your document, you're going to see. Can you see? Now it's looking nice. So that's what I want to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.